Okay, dear students, observe the question. The logical statement P implies Q and Q implies negation of P is equivalent to the first option negation of P, second option P, and third option Q, and fourth option negation of Q. Okay, now we have to solve this question. This question is from JEE-MAINS 2020. That's why this is the important question. So this is one question. It is the compulsory question from JEE-MAINS. Okay, so we have to do this question by truth table. So we have to solve this one. Solution for this one. We have to take such values P, Q. P implies Q, negation of P, P, Q, and P implies Q, negation of P, and Q implies negation of P, Q implies negation of P, Q implies negation of P. Now the required, what is that? That is P implies Q and Q implies negation of P. P implies Q and Q implies negation of P. Now we have to take the truth values. Here it is T, here it is T. Okay, here it is T, F. Now here it is F, T. Here it is F, F. That's why. Now here it is P implies Q. Implication. Implication. So for P implies Q, if P is true, Q is false, then it is false. By implication, the first one is true, second one is false, then its implication is false. Otherwise it is true. That's why this is true, and this is true. Now, negation of P. Negation of P. That means opposite of P. Here it is T gives false. Here it is F. Here it is T. Here it is T. That's all. Now we are going to Q implies negation of P. Q implies negation of P. That is implication condition again. Q implies negation of P. What is that? For Q implies negation of P, first one is true, second one is false, then its implication is false. Otherwise it is true. That's why it is true. It is true. It is true. Now we are going to conjunction. Conjunction for this one. P implies Q and Q implies negation of P. Conjunction. For conjunction, both are true, it is true. Otherwise it is false. That's why here it is true, false. It gives false. Now false, true. It gives false. True, true. It gives true. True, true. It gives true. That's all. Now, so what are the columns coincide here? F, F, T, T. Where it is F, F, T, T, F, F, T, T. That's why this one equivalent to this one. Therefore, P implies Q and Q implies negation of P. P implies Q and Q implies negation of P is equal to negation of P. That's why that is first option. That's all. Okay. This is a very easy way and easy question, and this is the compulsory question in JEE-MAINS. That's all. Okay. Right.